In this video, I'm going to show you how to register for cash receipts using the HomeTax website. In Korea, you are able to get tax deductions for domestic spending. This is very easily recorded if you use your card to pay for things. If you pay in cash, however, you will need to sign up for cash receipts to have this recorded using your phone number. And that is what I'm going to show you how to register for. As always with Korean websites, it's best to use Internet Explorer and be aware that you might be prompted to download extensions and plugins throughout the process. The website we're going to is hometax.go.kr. Because I'm doing this during tax season, this is the page I'm greeted with. At any other time in the year, I would be taken to the regular website. To get to the regular site, I'm going to click on the last box here. In order to register for cash receipts, you will first need to register to be a member of the HomeTax website. In order to do that, you're going to click on 회원 가입 up here. I sincerely hope that I have not butchered that pronunciation or any subsequent pronunciations of Korean words in this video. Next, you click at the bottom of this first box. It's going to give you three options to verify your identity. I'm going to show you the first option, which is how to do it using your digital certificate. If you don't know what a digital certificate is, I have another video explaining this, and you can find the link in the description. So you're going to select the first option. Here, you'll write your name as it appears on your ARC, so all caps, last name, first name, second name. Here, you're going to fill in your ARC number. Then you'll click Enter. Now you'll put in your digital certificate password and click Enter. Now you're going to just tick agree to all of these boxes and press Enter. So this is where you're going to create your details for your membership and login. So create an ID here and then click this box to make sure the ID is available for use. Then you'll create a password. Re-enter the password here. Fill in your cell phone number. And fill in your email address. I didn't do it here, but make sure to select 수신 거부 if you want to opt out of receiving marketing emails. So go ahead and click Enter once all your details are filled in, and then you can click Login to log in to the main website. Now to register for cash receipts, you'll have to log in. On the left is Login for members, and I'm going to do it using a digital certificate, so I will click on this box over here. So enter in your digital certificate password and press Enter. Now you're logged into the main site. On the right side, click on where it says 현금 영수증. And then on the left side, you will find where it says 발급 수단 관리 and click here. So now all you need to do is fill in your phone number and click 등록. If this pop-up happens, it just means that they want you to verify your identity again. I haven't done this here because I think you've seen me do the digital certificate thing enough times, so you'll just have to do this again here. Now, every time you pay for something in cash, you simply enter in your phone number on the cashier's keypad and it will be recorded on the HomeTax site. They'll usually ask you about this if you pay in cash, but if they don't, you can say 현금 영수증 해주세요. So if you want to check up on your cash spending, you just log into the HomeTax website, go to 현금 영수증, and click over here. And then you can manually select which time period you want to look at. So for example, if I go to August 2020, then it will show me my spending for August 2020. I'm exposing how much I use Coupang here because you can see all my Coupang purchases are recorded. Over here is where my rent has been recorded as a cash receipt. I will very shortly have a video up showing you exactly how to register for this yourself. So in the other window here, I just have my Coupang account to show you. If you log into your Coupang account and scroll down here to where it says like 결제 and click on that and go to where it says 현금 영수증. So click on this, and here is where you can register your phone number. So if you make purchases using Coupang, then they will get recorded on the tax site as a cash receipt. I hope this video has been informative. Please like and subscribe if you'd like to see more content like this.